back to my show, Masala Coffee with OPK.
Oh my god.
Please like
Share
and subscribe.
to Pangwisi Productions. Welcome back to Masala Coffee with OPK, Season 2. So today's guest is Miss Tiara Mang. Ouch! Miss Tiara Mang. The next person who will be coming, the superstar who will be coming, is the one and only Mr. Alok Kumar Singh Rathod. Welcome back to Masala Coffee with OPK. Now we have Miss Tiara Man with my stolen scarf. Stupid girl, this was my scarf.
Does not belong
This
to you. I got
This,
it.
this went missing.
Oh, you
right
mean
from the
I
very
stole
first episode of Masala Coffee with OPK.
Guys,
I didn't say that
stop
you
it.
stole it, but it could be him, and even you.
This
Can I
scarf
say-
belongs to me.
Okay. So this is Miss Tiara Man seated in front of me after doing all the drug deals and the scarf deals and all that. And this is Sir Alok Kumar Singh Rathod, the North Indian superstar. And they work together in this movie by the name Vinnai Thandi Varuvaya. Now that I have to start asking questions, I'll first start with Sir Alok. Sir, tell us about your experience. How did you feel working with Miss Tiara Man, the beauty queen of South India?
It was just okay.
And you?
Well, I had a very good experience working with him. He was a very genuine person.
Okay, so now that both of you work together in Vinnai Thandi Varuvaya, would you like to tell us about the plot of the
Yes,
movie?
sure. But it actually gets a bit emotional over here. You know, a girl and guy likes each other. But unfortunately, the father of the girl is against the relationship. So it's a very tragic love story. So if you look into the teaser or the trailer, you'll understand.
So come, let's look into that. नहीं खरीदो से पता है
Chucky!
விண்ணை தாண்டி உனக்காக வருவே சுட்கி கவலைப்படாத. Moving on to the next question, Miss Tiara Man, where did you go? To say something else?
Excuse me, lady, mind your words.
Okay, moving on to the next question. I wanted to find out how much were you paid for this movie? This was a blockbuster.
Oh, yes. I was paid around, if I'm not wrong, 20 crores for this movie.
And you still cannot afford to buy your own scarf.
Excuse me, lady, you know what? The costliest thing I own is this mask, which was gifted to me by Mr. Michael Jackson. We had a face-to-face conversation
But
for
Michael Jackson's already dead.
No wonder he died. The next question will go to Sir Alok Kumar Singh Rathod. Sir, would you like to tell us what you think, what you feel about your South Indian fans? I mean, you have started this trend of beard love and it's trending everywhere on TikTok. I can show you a video. After looking at that video, please tell us, okay, what you feel about it.
உங்களை பார்த்தா எல்லா பொண்ணுக்கும் பிடிச்சிரும்.
Fans find me attractive, fair skin, tall.
Oh, Miss OPK has stolen something.
That's not called stealing. It's called plucking apples and oranges.
Oh, it's an apple, right? It's a guava. Don't you find it?
Everything the same name. What were you saying, sir?
Oh, I was saying that fans find me attractive, but they like my smile because I'm fair skinned, and that's the thing they like out.
Cheeky lady. I don't agree to this.
Neither do I agree to all
I don't
this.
bother about their ugliness. That's going to be here. Have not to watch out. There.
ஹைவே என்னரு என்னரு ஆ.
Now what do you have to say? What do you have to say about this?
But what is wrong in bodybuilding? What is wrong in being dark? Is it wrong to eat with your own hands? You're self-sufficient, right?
If you seriously feel that all these South Indians are the descendants of rowdy family, what about Kamala Harris, Sundar Pichai and people like Abdul Kalam?
Exactly.
Do you seriously think all these people are rowdies?
No.
What is so wrong in eating with your hands? Come on, these are inbuilt cutlery set. If it's so nice for you to exchange your saliva in the spoons, come on, this is really fashionable and it is nice for us.
And not only that, so see, the thing is, we respect our culture, our tradition so much. We cannot keep shifting to something else that we are not. Just like how people change clothes. We are not that. You might ape the West, but we prefer not to. I feel we cannot call India one country. We are going to be dividing people on the basis of their skin color, the region that they belong to, the language that they talk.
Most importantly, North and South.
Yeah, it's totally not fair. And all these movies are misguiding people.
If you seriously feel that is how we eat, come to South India and show me anybody who eats in that way.
Yeah.
Our freedom fighters never shed their bloods to give us this. We've divided the nation into North, South, East and West. Come on, we cannot discriminate people on the basis of their skin color, on the basis of their culture or on the basis of their region.
Becoming modern does not mean throwing away your tradition and culture. It's about changing your mindset. Modern, change your mindset. That's what it really means. So if someone criticizes your culture, your tradition, don't just take that up. Make them understand that every culture, every tradition is superior. Nothing is inferior. Stand up for what you really are because that is your real identity.
எந்த படத்தை பார்த்து கூட எதுவும் கெட்டது கற்றுக்கொள்ள கூடாது. எந்த படமா இருந்தால் கூட நம் நல்லதை மட்டும்தான் ஏற்றுக்கொள்ள வேண்டும். கெட்ட படம் இருந்தால் அது நம்மை நிகாரிக்க வேண்டும். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
We never finished. Why are we laughing so much?
படத்தை பார்த்து நாம் எதுவும் கற்றுக்கொள்ள போவது இல்லை.
Skin color doesn't matter. It's your talent which shows where you stand. And just don't go behind attractiveness. The talent, you have to judge people by their talent and not by their looks. What again told wrong, huh? Again told wrong, huh? Again from first round. Again told wrong, huh? Really?
So
Keep it in your hand. It's very tasty, babe. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So now we're going to come to some of the most crucial questions of the show.
These expressions are worse than us, okay? After we'll upload one video bloopers. We have the worst.
That is
Like how we went over there and we'll be like,
என்ன பெரிய சொல்லக்கூடாது.
Fans find me. One.
what Miss OPK? What did you steal this time?
Now that you have made it this far,
It's time for you to click on to the necessary buttons.
thank you for watching the video.
Thank you so much. We provided you entertainment for free.